morning, primary 4. Welcome to another video. Today we're gonna make a revision on fractions. So the first question, complete number 1. The number 1 can be written as 2 over 2 or 3 over 3 or 4 over 4 or 5 over 5 or 6 over 6 or 100 over 100, because the number 1 can be written as any fraction with the same numerator and denominator, but except 0 over 0. We can't write 0 over 0 because we can't divide by the number 0. Question number B, we have the number 6. So any whole number can be written in the form of a fraction if I just put 1 in the denominator. So 6 equals 6 over 1. Question number C, the number 4, can we write it as a fraction? Yes, the number 4 contains a denominator 1. Now we just transform this 1 into 3 by multiplying 1 by 3 down. We have to multiply also up by 3. 4 by 3 equals 12. The number 3 by the same method. This 3 is 3 over 1. The 3 becomes 15. So we multiply by 5. So we have to multiply down by 5. 1 by 5 equals 5. The 3 becomes 6. So we multiply by 2. So 3 by 2 equals 6. So up we have to multiply also by 2. 2 by 2 equals 4. The 4 becomes 20 by multiplying 4 by 5. So down also by 5. 5 by 5 is 25. The 4 becomes 16. So what is the number if multiplied by 4, like we multiply down by 4? The number is 28. Yes, it's 7 by 4 equals 28. Question number H. The 6 becomes 30 by multiplying 6 by 5. So what's the number if multiplied by 5 is 35? It's 7 by 5. In this question, the 4 becomes 1. So this 4 is divided because 4 becomes smaller. It becomes 1. So division by 4 and up also division by 4. 32 divided 4 equals 8. And 8 divided 1 equals 8. Question number J. If we want to add two fractions, first we have to make sure that they have the same denominator, and the denominator here is 9. So the answer also will be with denominator 9. Then we're gonna add 2 plus 5. So 2 plus 5 equals 7. So the answer is 7 over 9. Another question. We have a denominator 7, so the answer contains 7. Then we add 4 plus 3 equals 7. Now it's 7 over 7, which equals 1. Question number L. We have 5 in denominator, so the answer contains 5. 3 minus 2 equals 1, so the answer is 1 over 5. Now in M, we have a denominator 9. I'm gonna put 9 here. So 4 plus what equals 7? It's 4 plus 3. 4 over 7 minus, we're gonna put a denominator 7. 4 minus what equals 1? It's 4 minus 3 equals 1. We have a denominator 8. And we have 4 minus 3 equals 1. Here we have a denominator 6. So I'm gonna make this with denominator 6 and transform this one into 6 over 6. So all the denominators become 6. Now, what plus 2 equals 6? It's 4 plus 2 equals 6. Let's move to question number 2. Put each of the following in the simplest form. We know that 7 and 14 are in table 7, so we can divide both of them by 7. 7 divided 7 equals 1, and 14 divided 7 equals 2. 4 over 20 are in table 4, so we divide by 4, divide by 4. 4 divided 4 equals 1, and 20 divided 4 equals 5. 6 and 18 are in table 6, so we can divide by 6. 6 divided 6 equals 1, and 18 divided 6 equals 3. You can try to solve the rest of the question by yourself. Question number 3. We want to add two fractions, a fraction, and we want to add a fraction and a whole number. So I'm gonna transform this whole number into a fraction by making it with denominator 1. We have a different denominators, so we have to make the both of denominators the same. I will multiply this one by 3, up and down. So now we have 9 over 3 plus 2 over 3. The answer also will contain the denominator 3. It's 9 plus 2, which is 11. Once again, question number B, it's over 1. To make it 7, I will multiply by 7 down and by 7 up. So 4 by 7 is 28, 1 by 7 is 7, plus 5 over 7. Both of the two fractions contain the denominator 7, so it's 28 plus 5, which equals 33. Let's solve another one with a different idea, like number F. We have 3.5 plus another half, so I'm gonna transform this fraction into improper fraction. So 3 by 2 equals 6, plus 1, it's 7, and we have the denominator 2. Add it to the half. Both of the two fractions contain denominator 2, so the answer will contain denominator 2, and 7 plus 1 equals 8, and 8 divided 2 equals 4. Try to solve the rest of the question by yourself, and if you struggle in any one of them, just look to the guide answer that we're gonna send it to you. Another question in page number 3. We want to write each of the following as improper fractions. To write a mixed number as improper fraction, we're gonna put the denominator as it is. We have denominator 4, so the denominator will be 4. Then we go down and multiply. 2 by 4 equals 8. Then we go up and add. So 8 plus 1 equals 9. So we go down and multiply. 2 by 4 equals 8. Then we go up and add. 8 plus 1 equals 9. Another one. The denominator is still 5. We go down and multiply. 4 by 5 equals 20. Then we go up and add. 20 plus 4 is 24. Another one. The denominator is 7. We go down and multiply. 10 by 7 equals 70. Then we go up and add. 70 plus 3 equals 73. Question number 5. We want to write each of the following as a mixed fraction or a mixed number. So we want to write it as a whole number and a fraction. First, we're gonna put the denominator as it is. Then we're gonna make it in the draft in the form of a long division. We have 4 over 3, so it's 4 divided by 3. Then we make a timetable for 3. Here is up and down. 3 by 1 equals 3, 3 by 2 equals 6, 3 by 3 equals 9. We're gonna search for 4 in down. There is no 4. We're gonna take a number less than 4, which is 3. I'm gonna write 3 down and 1 up. Then subtract. 4 minus 3 equals 1. The remainder is 1. We're gonna put this remainder in the numerator. And the answer is 1. We're gonna put this one as a whole number. So 1 in the whole part and the remainder in the numerator. So the answer is 1 1/3. Let's solve another one. Let's say it's number F. First, we're gonna put 7 in the denominator as it is, and we want the whole part and the numerator. I'm gonna do a long division. We have up and down. Here is 24 divided by 7. I'm gonna make table 7. 7 by 1 is 7. 7 by 2 is 14. 7 by 3 is 21. 7 by 4 is 28. I'm gonna search for 24. There is no 24, so I'm gonna take a number less than 24, which is 21. I'm gonna put 21 down and 3 up. Then subtract. 4 minus 1 is 3, and 2 minus 2 is 0. The remainder will be in numerator, and the answer will be the whole part. So this is 3 and 3 over 7. Thank you, and see you in another video.